Our software is an engineering tool designed for CFD simulations. One of the features that make our software stand out is the ability to record all the actions taken in the graphical user interface in a Python script. This means that users can manually modify, copy, and run the script in batch mode, saving a significant amount of time for tasks like grid refinement studies and product design investigations. For instance, users can change specific variables in the setup, rerun the case, and generate the desired data or images for comparison. Because the journaling is facilitated by Python, users can combine HELYX tasks with Python programming, which opens up a range of possibilities. In this example, we demonstrate how this incredible utility works. On the left side, you can see our GUI, while on the right side, we write the Python script as we set up the case in the GUI. If you want to learn more about our open-source CFD solutions, you can contact Engis at info@engis.com.